What's up, guys? Rain here, and today I'm doing a little plugin coding request request tutorial, whatever. Anyway, someone asked me if I can show them how to make a repair plugin. Now there is like a repair command which just repairs, which I'm gonna show now, and then I'm gonna show maybe in like a part two or something repair all, because repair all actually takes a lot more code and all that compared to repair like that one item in hand. So I'll show you the repair, and I'll show you the permissions, how to make permissions for that and all that. So first off, you want to make sure you have your basic plugin set up already. Um, Make sure you reference your library, or if you don't know how to do that, just go properties, Java build path, add external jar, and then you add your bucket that you downloaded. So we are building on 1.6.4 R.1. Um, Once you get that, you can go ahead and generate your plugin.yml by pressing new and then file and then name it plugin.yml, and then I'll show you what you put in there after when we actually get to that. Um, and so now we can start the on enable and on disable um, thing. So we're actually going to be a little lazy, or we're actually typing more than what we could have put, but let's just say we wanted to update the plugin and we didn't want to retype version and the plugin name over and over again. What we could do is we can actually type sorry, I'm a slow typer. You guys are probably like, man, this guy types so slow. Anyway, we're gonna be typing plugin description file, and then we can name that PDF file, and then it's gonna equal get description. So this is a short method. That's what I write. Yeah, I think I did. Anyway, need the parentheses there. Okay, now we're gonna description, plugin description file. Did I spell something wrong? Oh, description file. Oh, okay, now it works, ain't it? So, instead of actually typing out the plugin name, we can just use the one in the plugin.yml, which we're going to create later. So we're going to do PDF file dot get name. Uh, ah, we're doing this in the fucking. Sorry for swearing. We're not supposed to be doing it in there anyway. Then we plus. Want to space it out? Let's put a V. Make sure to add a space before, and then we're just gonna leave it like that because we're gonna actually combine the versions. So we can do plus PDF file dot get. We can go down to versions, and then plus has. Let's make a space because if you notice, there's no space in between when you put this. You have to make a space in the next thing. Has been disabled. Okay, now we can be lazy and just copy this into the other one and change some shit. I gotta stop swearing. Anyway, enabled. And now we have our um, lazy setup already. Now we can actually start working on the plugin. So we're gonna have to create our, ah, man. Okay, first of all, it's 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning. I'm completely restless but tired. So if I'm not making any sense, I'm so sorry, but we're just gonna have to deal with this. So public boolean on command sender command string command label strings args. And we can open up these brackets here. I like to put it at the end of my parentheses. Some people like to put it like this because it makes it easier for them. You can do whatever you want. I just do this. It's easier for me. Um, Now we need to import command sender, and we need to import. Oh, I imported command first. Anyway, now it's going to be saying we need a return statement, so we're just going to type. Uh, we'll put it here. Return. Return false. False. There. So there we go. So now we can start actually typing. We need to verify our player, so we're just going to put P for player, and then equals parentheses player sender. So we're just dignifying that player is actually the sender. So this player sender, but we're gonna make player the variable P. Just a simple explanation there. And now we can create a command. So if command. Now there's many ways you can actually make the command. I'm just gonna do it this way. Get name dot equals ignore case. We can do it. The command's gonna be repair. And if we're going to make a second part, if you notice, I have forgot the parentheses are here on this if statement. Be invalid if statement. Anyway, if we wanted to add something like repair all, you're gonna have to put arguments in there. But for now, since we're not doing any arguments, because we're not adding repair all yet, which I will in a different tutorial, but for now we're just gonna be doing this. You can just leave it like that. And we have to verify if the player has the permission. So we're actually going to do the opposite. We're going to, if the player doesn't have the permission, has permission, and then we're going to just, what is the plugin name? Repair tutorial. We're just going to be rt dot repair. And then that's going to be our permission node. And then we can add an op bypass. So if they're also not op, then I can't access that. And if you notice here, I put player, not P. Now you can put, so this is what they're not going to want, or this is what's going to happen if they don't have the permission or they're not op. So we're just going to do P dot send message, and then we're going to do chat color. Now, I tend to use chat colors a lot, so what I actually do is I actually make a what is it called, a method for it. So I can do chat color red equals chat dot or chat color dot red. So you can actually make a method like that. So now if I wanted to just put red plus stuff, I could. So sorry, no perms, bro. So we're just gonna put that. So basically, if they don't have the permission RT repair or is not op, you're gonna get this message, and you want to put a colon there. Now we're gonna actually make an else. So let's close this off. And the way I like to do else is I like to just, this is all your preference of formatting. So we can just do that elf if, actually no, not if. So if they do have it, we're just gonna do p dot get. So this is the actual command or actual repair. So we're just gonna get the item in hand. Item in hand. Since it's not coming up in that thing, little box window. Dot, and then we have to set the durability, not get it. So this is kind of the newer things that are in like 1.6 API. Where'd it go? Okay, I missed it and I didn't even see it. Oh, there it is. So we actually put some more parentheses because we're gonna have to make a short. What you doing? Okay, it's gonna be a short, and then in here we're gonna put 0. So this is just gonna restore the durability to 0, so 0 use, and we are basically done. But we're just gonna add a little message so that the player knows that his item has been repaired. And we're gonna add a little method up here, which you can just put chat color green, but I like to put methods. They're fun, that's why. So we're gonna put a method there. Color dot green, and edit with that. And now we can use green inside of our message. If I can freaking press the button, green plus your item has been repaired, and put the colon there. And now we are done with our plugin, I think. Except for the fact that we still have to configure the plugin that YML. So let's do that now. So as what we did earlier with the lazy way, like I was talking about, is we actually made it so we get the name. So whatever name is placed here is transferred here, and then the version. So whatever is put here would be transferred there, and that's how lazy we are. So we're gonna do that, and so the name is gonna be repair tutorial author. We're gonna make me author. Okay, this is important. You want to make sure you get this right. If you look at your package, mine's is Alohacraft.repair tutorial.main and then capital main. Make sure that you get that exactly right. If you make it, if you put any of the cases wrong, your plugin will just not work. Dot main, capital. And then we're gonna do the version is 1.0. It's the first version. Description of the plugin. Repairs item in hand. And then we're gonna have to make a command and two space command repair use dash repair on item, and this you got a space. Make sure you space, or that irritating red thing is just gonna be there. I don't know what that is. I don't know why that's there, but whatever. I guess because it's using a tab, I guess, instead of a space, and it needs spaces. And okay. So we actually can use, if you want, we can add an alias. Something like R. We're just gonna put RP because I think I have essentials repair on there, or not repair, reply. So our plugin file is now set up. This tutorial has been going on forever, and it's such a short tutorial, but that's how the pros do it, I guess. Anyway, so we're gonna name this repair If I can type faster, this tutorial wouldn't be so freaking long. But I have a problem with typing. Yes, we want to save that. Save. Okay. Uh, let's open up Minecraft. Actually, I'll open up the beautiful Minecraft, the 0 and Z version of it. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, crap. Anyway, I forgot to start up the server. Let me get that out of the way. Bukkit, where are you? Um, yeah, I have to delete the other one. It's a very similar plugin. I can start it. As you see, no errors has occurred. It says right here. Not right there, my bad. Where does it say? Right here, repair tutorial. As you can see, our little code has worked. And now if we not join my server, but join our local host, you can see that we can dash repair. The item has been repaired, and as you see, it's repaired. We can also do, as I showed earlier, RP does the same thing. And now we have a working repair plugin. So I hope this helped you out, guy or guys, because I know that one guy actually needed it. If you guys wanted to know about this, then you're welcome. Anyway, expect the second part later on. Peace. Not peace.